My dear people, I wish you to pray because it's only through prayer that we may solve this problem. This is Cardinal Sin speaking to the people, especially in Metro Manila. I am indeed concerned about the situation of Minister Enrile and General Ramos. I am calling our people to support our two good friends at the camp. If any of you could be around at Camp Aguinaldo to show your solidarity and your support in this very crucial period when our two good friends have shown their idealism. I would be very happy if you could support them now. I would only wish that violence and bloodshed be avoided. Let us pray to our Blessed Lady to help us in order that we can solve this problem peacefully.
Sumasampalataya ako sa dakilang Pilipino, bayan ng mga bayani at magiting na tao, maringal na larawan ng kagitingang ito ay ang mahal nating lahat na Cory Aquino. Sumasampalataya ako na ang tunay na yaman nitong ating bansa ay mga babaeng uliran, matalino't masipag, matatag at matapang, katangiang taglay ni Tita Coring hiniran. Sumasampalataya ako sa lakas ng dalangin, lalo na ng rosaryo at misang kagiliw-giliw. Ito rin ang bukal na kapangyarihang angkin sa pagbabago ng